Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. I'm Jenna, and today I am closing a chapter before opening a new one, and that's a final goodbye to this house that we have called a home for the last 3 years. So many of you have asked me, Jenna, where have you been? What is going on? Well, you guys, for the past few weeks, I have been moving. But first, I wanted to share in detail the last time I decorated this home. I wanted to highlight this fall season and everything that I've decorated because I loved it so much. This fall season, I added more color in my home than I have ever before. It's been less than a year since we renovated our kitchen, and it is so bittersweet to say goodbye so soon, but I loved adding a mix of old and new, high-end and affordable finds in this kitchen. Lots of different florals, colors, elements, everything just came together so well. I slowly started adding fall touches into my bedroom very early in the season, and as much as I love neutral bedding, I wanted to give something bold and rich a try with the help of today's sponsor, Quince Bedding. Quince believes in high quality products that elevate your life, sustainable and affordable bedding because everyone deserves the finer things in life. I wanted bold but earthy, so I chose the European Linen Duvet Deluxe Bundle in the color Bordeaux. I also love a monochrome look, so I chose the color Bordeaux for the sheets as well. Linen has a natural lived-in wrinkle. I do like to give my bedding a quick steam for any deeper wrinkles that it has, but since it is made out of 100% natural flax, it will always have a lived-in wrinkle. They also sent me a throw. It is made out of 100% cashmere and has to be the softest throw that I own. It is absolutely gorgeous. I just laid it on the edge of the bed for a lived-in look. Thank you to Quince for sponsoring today's video. I will have the link to shop my bedding in the description box below for you guys. Aside from my bedding, my bedroom has remained pretty minimal, light and airy with a touch of moody, just the way I like it. Our formal dining space gets most of the changes and all the fun styling happens here. I've recently invested in this sideboard. It's given me so much surface to style, and decorating has become my piece. I can tune out the chaos and just have fun styling this area. So of course, I had to highlight all the stylings I did this season. I absolutely love each and every one of them. I cannot pick a favorite. Next to it is my formal living space, something I have to say goodbye to. Not a single new home that we looked at has a formal living space like this. So unfortunately, I've had to start selling a lot of my furniture to accommodate our new home. My favorite space in our entire home is the main family room. It's where we spend most of our time, where we laugh and play, where I challenge myself to decorate these ginormous shelves. It's a lot harder than it seems, but I've loved the challenge. Saying goodbye to this area is so hard for me because I haven't found a home with anything like it. I know you guys love seeing this home and you guys have been a big part of it as well, but with every end is a new beginning. I hope you guys are ready for this new journey. We are moving halfway across the country. Any guesses where we are going? Do you guys think we will buy a fixer-upper or a new build? What do you guys think? I hope you guys are ready for the holiday season. My next video will be a Christmas haul. I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you in my next video.